Welcome to our detailed comparison of the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 and 5500 processors. Both of these CPUs offer impressive specifications with 6 cores and 12 threads, making them suitable for a variety of computing tasks. In this video, we will explore their differences in performance, pricing, and features, helping you make an informed decision on which processor to choose for your next build. When it comes to performance, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 boasts a higher boost clock speed of 4.4 GHz compared to the 4.2 GHz of the Ryzen 5 5500. This difference can lead to better performance in demanding applications and gaming scenarios. However, the Ryzen 5 5500 still provides solid performance for everyday tasks and light gaming, making it a great choice for budget-conscious users. In terms of pricing, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 is priced at $199, while the Ryzen 5 5500 comes in at a more budget-friendly $159. This price difference can be significant for those on a tight budget, and while the 5600 offers slightly better performance, the 5500 provides excellent value for its cost, making it an attractive option for many users. Both processors come bundled with the Wraith Stealth Cooler, which is a great addition for users looking to keep their CPUs cool during operations. This included cooler simplifies installation and ensures that both processors can maintain optimal temperatures under load, providing peace of mind for users who may not want to invest in an aftermarket cooling solution. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 and 5500 processors have their strengths and weaknesses. The 5600 offers superior performance for a higher price, while the 5500 is a fantastic budget option that still delivers solid performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.